find amount of money. Here is $5, another $5, 25 cent, 25 cent and 5 cent. So let's calculate. First one, $5, right, plus $5 plus 25 cent, we can write $0.25 plus similar $0.25 plus 5 cent, it means $0.05. After calculation, 5 plus 5 is a 10 and 25 is a 50 cent plus 5 cent is a 55 cent. So we can write $10.55. This is our answer. It means here is $10.55. Thank you.